magical feelings in everyday living. It's just a law of nature. It doesn't belong to you. It's just a law of nature. It doesn't require much to do. If you look close, you can feel it unveiled in front of you. Magic lies beneath it, unlike the beauty you've been used to. Digital feeding, spiritual healing. Whenever you close your eyes, digital feeding, spiritual healing. It's just a law of nature. It doesn't belong to you. It's just a law of nature. It doesn't require much to do. Let me hold you in my arms, show you the pathway in this mesmerizing joy. Charming winds will guide you far away from harm. Take a leap and let me hold you in my arms. Let me hold you in my arms, show you the pathway in this mesmerizing dawn. Charming winds will guide you far away from harm. Take a leap of faith and